instant chili garlic toast. I'm going to show you how to make this delicious, quickest chili garlic bread or toast in the air fryer and on the skillet. So let's get started. I'm using this wheat bread. This is 9-grain bread. Let me show you. And this is the brand I'm using. I'm using 9-grain, but you can use white or you can use French bread. Whatever bread you have available, you can use it. This is what I have it on hand, so I'm using this. Then here I have minced garlic, about tablespoon. 2 to 3 tablespoons of soft butter. You can use salted or unsalted. I will add minced garlic and mix it. I just microwave this for 10 seconds. Into this, I will add salt. I'm using unsalted butter, so I'm adding salt, but if you're using salted butter, you can skip the salt. Now 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. I'm going to add chili flakes, but before that, I want to mix all this nicely. You want to spread this nicely on your bread, so you want to make sure that you don't over melt it. I will add black pepper. And now I'm going to add chili flakes to this, depending on how much spice you like. I just prepare one without chili flakes for my son. And for me and my husband, I'm gonna add chili flakes. And this is ready. So let's spread this on the bread. It's runnier, so I'm just gonna use my spoon to spread it. Just to make this video quicker, I just heat it up so it's a little runnier, but that's okay, still works. 3 tablespoons of butter work just perfectly fine for this 4-piece of bread. I'm gonna do 2 in the air fryer and 2 on a skillet. So I'm gonna put this 2 on the air fryer basket here, just like this. So I have this 2 bread in this air fryer. So I'm gonna keep it for 370 for 15 minutes and let's see. It takes only 3 to 4 minutes. For the skillet, I'm putting this upside down. This is optional. You can apply a little bit of more butter on this other side as well. You can also add cheese if you want. I'm making without cheese. So it's ready. I'm gonna flip it over. Look, this nicely golden done. And let this cook from the other side as well. So it's been 4 minutes. The air fryer bread is also ready. Look at this. Beautifully done. Let's check this. Okay, this is ready. Alright guys, so all our 4 breads are all done and looking nice and crispy, but this too is done in the air fryer and it is nicely golden, but it's crispy as you can see. And this too I have cooked on a skillet, so this is also nice and golden brown, but it is a little soft even though we cooked from both the side. But very minor different tastes, all same. You can also shred some cheese while it's nice and warm on top. Let's cut them and serve. Can you hear the crispiness? Let's try this one, see if you can hear it. Perfectly crisped. Thank you so much for watching my video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I am going to enjoy this garlic toast with this delicious green pasta. Thank you so much for watching my video, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you.